Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to create a token on Solana. The first step is to get your wallet set up, preferably the Phantom wallet. So go ahead and create or import a Solana wallet using Phantom. Next, you're going to navigate to the Orion Tools website. Connect your Phantom wallet to the Orion Tools platform. This usually involves clicking on the Connect Wallet button on your browser and approving the connection with your Phantom wallet. Then next, the token creation phase using Orion Tools. There will be the input for the name, symbols, decimals, and supply. Provide those details and add image and description. Of course, this is optional. When this is done, you can confirm and execute a transaction to create the token. Then next, still on Orion Tools, you'll need to revoke the freeze authority and revoke the mint authority. And now we're going to go over to Radium. Connect your Phantom wallet to Radium, then select your newly created token, configure order and price settings, then confirm and execute a transaction to create the market. Next, we have the liquidity pool using Radium. Navigate to the liquidity page on Radium, input the market ID of your token, then set the initial price and add liquidity. Then confirm and execute a transaction to initialize the liquidity pool. Once the liquidity pool is set, the token can be traded. When it comes to purchasing, users can purchase the token by swapping Sol or Solana for your newly created token. You can go ahead and use the Bird Eye platform to view your tokens chart and trading activity. We hope this helps you in creating your token using Solana.